Woof, woof, woof. Who are you? No one requires the essence of my existence. What? What are you saying? Oh, I'm sorry. I was just doing something weird. I was talking weird. Oh. Why do dogs keep on appearing? What do you mean? Like, literally. Nowadays it just seems like we're just introducing them. What? It seems like we're introducing new characters for just shorts. There needs to be more episodes. Are you? Stop! Remember when the portal opened? How do you know the portal opened? Because it's going to happen again. When? Now? Wait.